In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete a Gusto employee profile. This process is straightforward and can be done quickly, so whether you're doing some housekeeping or need to update your records, you'll find this guide helpful. To get started, you'll first want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to gusto.com. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials to access your account. Gusto is a comprehensive platform that manages HR, payroll, and benefits, so being familiar with the layout will help you navigate these steps smoothly. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your dashboard. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on the option labeled People. This section is essentially a directory of all employees associated with your organization. It's where you can manage employee information, add new hires, or, as we are doing today, remove an employee profile. After clicking People, you'll be presented with a list of employees. Scroll through the list to find the specific employee profile you wish to delete. This list might be organized alphabetically or by other criteria you have set up, so use the search function if necessary to quickly locate the employee. Once you find the profile, look towards the end of the row where you'll see 3 vertical dots, commonly referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear, providing you with several actions you can take regarding the employee profile. In this case, you'll want to choose the option labeled Remove. Clicking Remove will initiate the process of deleting the employee's profile from your system. It's important to note that this action is typically irreversible, so ensure that this is indeed what you intend to do before proceeding. After clicking Remove, you may be prompted to confirm your action. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. Read through any warning messages carefully, and if you're certain, confirm your decision to delete the profile. Once confirmed, the employee profile will be permanently removed from your Gusto account. And that's it! You've successfully deleted a Gusto employee profile. Remember that managing employee profiles accurately is crucial for maintaining organized records and ensuring compliance with any applicable regulations. Always double-check before removing any profiles to prevent any unintended data loss. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more guides like this one. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Have a great day.